Hello everyone, I'm Heather from Arabian Business Quest, Saudi Arabia, and we provide company formation and family relocation services in Saudi Arabia and Dubai. In this video, we'll guide you step by step how to open a company in Saudi Arabia and start your business in 2025. First, you're going to decide what exactly you're going to do in Saudi Arabia. Either you're providing a service, you're doing something related to trade, you're providing professional services, you're doing an industrial activity, or you're doing something related to real estate. After choosing your activity, you apply for Ministry of Investment or MISA license. Then you'll need to reserve your company name with Ministry of Commerce. After that, you'll have to sign your Article of Association, in which you will provide details of your managers, your shareholders, and you'll mention your company's objectives as well as your company's management structure. Then you'll need to get your commercial registration, that is CR, from Ministry of Commerce. Once you get your CR, then you can apply for some sector-specific approvals or licenses. For example, if your business activity is related to health, you will need some approvals from Ministry of Health. So we recommend that you do your research before choosing the business activity. Then you'll need to register your company with some government portals, and that includes Abshar, Muddat, Zetka, Kiva, and Mukim, and some other portals. Then you'll need to get your tax identification number. After all of this, now you're ready to get your physical office. And the size of the physical office depends on what your business activity is. Some business activities require smaller office, but some needs bigger. Finally, after getting the office, now you can open your corporate bank account and you're ready to roll in this booming market of Saudi Arabia. We at Arabian Business Quest make the process of company formation easy and fast. Doesn't matter if you're inside the country or you want to do it remotely. By providing step-by-step support, we'll make the process efficient and smooth. You can find our contact details in the description of this video, and please feel free to contact us if you have any question regarding company formation in Saudi Arabia. Thank you for watching the video. Goodbye.